We have a customer that approached us to do production machining, and we never really ran production machining, so we worked with them to find out the requirements, what they needed, and capacity. We purchased 4 VF-4SS's with a building expansion of 11,000 square feet. As soon as they're installed, we'll be running them the following day. Hello, my name is Brad Westgertis. I'm one of the owners of Buckeye Design and Engineering. We started out with one VF3 back in 1999, and we currently have 16 machining centers of Haas between lathes and mills. And we have 4 brand new machines, 4 VF-4SS's to help out with our production requirements. Manufacturing, it kind of runs in our blood. My dad's been in manufacturing forever, and I followed in his footsteps, and my brother, he did the same thing. It's something different all the time. And what's really neat is where things have come in the last 20 years, from the machines to the tooling to the way things are done. It changes all the time, and if you don't keep up, you're just falling behind. The 4 new machines that we have, we actually had them brought in with the dual augers and the probing and the mist collection and through the spindle coolant. It makes it quick setups, faster machining. Some parts we don't require any coolant anymore with through the spindle air. Just makes it so much faster and so much easier to get the parts programmed, loaded, ran, and shipped. Auto door is a really nice option, just due to the reason for loader fatigue. And also what's nice about that is it helps you know the machine's done when you're running 2, 3, 4 machines. You can hear the doors open, and it's sitting there ready for you when you get to it to blow the parts off and put new parts in and start again. On our Haas lathes, the first Haas lathe we bought was an SL20. That got us up and rolling on the lathes. So we invested in another lathe, which was a DS30Y. We bought that machine specifically for one job, to do a pick off from the main spindle to the sub spindle to do the work on the back side. And it took 2 to 3 operations down to 1. And that was a game changer, and it opened our eyes up on what we can do. And that led us to buy an ST25Y with a bar feeder on it. We liked that so much and run it so often, we bought another ST25Y. We actually run what I consider non-lathe parts in a lathe with a bar feeder, because it's like a robot. So with the live tooling and the milling options that are on that lathe, I can run milled parts on the lathe. With good machines, good employees, good customers, that's what it takes to make a successful business and happy customers.